Right, first of all, sorry for the over dramatic music. I wasn't even expecting it to be that dramatic. I wanted something pulsating and eerie, but I wasn't quite expecting the whole thing to be that dark. But, you know, some things turn out like you don't expect them to. Welcome back to another video. Just a quick one today because I want to talk a little bit about this new sound effects pack that I've put together for you. I got the idea because, you know, when your animated titles come up, I just wanted to spice them up a little bit with some sort of sound effects. And I love the sounds that your camera makes. There's just something really satisfying about these sounds. Listen to that, and this is my favourite. That noise. Just there's something really satisfying about those noises. So I thought, what if I recorded the sounds of my camera and my lenses and put a little sound effects pack together to use for your animated titles or just as Foley and sound effects over the top of your videos. So that's what I've done. There's 20 camera sound effects in the pack in total, and they come as both MP3 files and WAV files as well. So you've got the choice there, whichever one you want to play with. All you do once you've downloaded them from the website is drag and drop them into your project, and that's it. They've already been mastered. I've EQ'd them, compressed them, and also put a noise gate on there as well, so they're super clean and crisp. But if you want to do your own EQ and compression in Premiere, or whatever it is that you use, you can do that as well. So not only can you use them for animated titles like this, and it does, let's admit, it does enhance that animated title a little bit, doesn't it? It's just that extra little attention to detail. But you can also use them, for example, if you're showing photographs that you've taken in your videos like this, because it just draws the viewer's attention to that photograph that you've taken, and it's providing a transition from you talking to the image without just an awkward silence. And I've included a mirrorless shutter click, and I also did like a double and a triple click, but I also recorded this vintage camera click as well. There's something really satisfying about that old school click. Old school click. I don't know, never owned a camera before, 2018. Anyway, so you've got lens cap sounds in there, you've got zoom barrel sounds, there's also the little RF lens control ring noise, the scroll wheel dials on your camera, attaching the lens to the camera. Basically, whatever noises your camera make, I've captured it. So as I say, 20 different sounds in this pack, but that's not all. I've got an offer on at the moment. Basically, if you order any of the products on my website, you get the camera sound effects pack completely free. So just add any of the items into the cart along with the camera sound effects pack, and then type in the coupon code FREESFX. I'll leave it down in the description below so you can see. And then it'll apply your discount at the checkout and you're done. That's it. Simple as that. I really hope you enjoy these sounds. I really enjoyed recording them, and I just want to pass it on to you, and hopefully you get as much use out of them as I have. Stay tuned on the channel because there's plenty more coming up, including the new version of the Spiffy Gear LED bracelet lights. Looking forward to testing those out. As well as Freewell have sent me these filters for the Insta360 1R. And apparently they're the first company to make filters for the Insta360 1R. So really excited to use these. I'm going to be doing that very soon. There's also another extremely, you know when you say a word too much and it loses all meaning. Anyway, extremely exciting video coming. I wish I could tell you, but I'm not going to. I'm going to make you wait, but it won't be long. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. I'll leave a link in the description where you can pick up the camera sound effects pack. And yeah, thank you very much. Have a great week, and I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe. Have a good one.